Alright guys, so I just want to give you guys a little inspiration, motivation. By any means, I'm not trying to make this like oh crap, my video here. Like I said, this is a motivation, inspiration video for you guys. I want to jump into the account here. It is a live account, you can see this. I'm using LQDFX here. But I want to touch base with the history here. The account is currently sitting at 22,000. And it's Thursday, but I want to run back to the month here. So I click the month. I deposited 2,900. I wanted to test myself to see how much I can get this account up and going for this whole for the past. I believe I put. I'm just trying to scroll back to when I put the 2,900. So I put the balance transfer. That was here. Let me click on it. Balance transfer was on the 3rd of March. It was $2,907.88. And then I'm gonna scroll down through my history here so you guys can actually see these trades here. Okay, so I didn't really go aggressive until you can see these are just small profits. I didn't really go aggressive. I'm trying to show you guys when I started going aggressive. I know it was like in April I started going really aggressive on this account. What? That's it? Really? Oh man, I'm trying to show you guys the aggressive trades that I've been doing. No, there's more than that. There's definitely more than that. I know this is just April 10th, which is yesterday. April 9th. Oh, here's some aggressive. Nope. I'm trying to. Well, I guess yeah. There's an aggressive. There's one aggressive trade here on the 7th of April. Here's one where I bought gold at 12.90 and then held up to 13.03. So it's pushing me back towards the bottom of my screen, but I'm trying to show you guys, you know, what can be done. It doesn't matter the size of the account. What matters is that you have the discipline and that you're willing to put it out there and make and have the action plan behind the mindset as well. You know, it's 90% all in the mind and 10% technical. But the most important thing is that if you understand your technical analysis, then you can make it happen. And I'm being serious here. You know, I'm not going crazy today trying to trade today. You know, I've been really aggressive on this account ever since the beginning of April. It's 11 days of April already, and so you can see how aggressive I grew the account in 11 days. And so it's important to understand that, you know, if you really want to achieve this kind of success in Forex, it doesn't happen overnight. And I know I'm gonna get a bunch of comments. People probably gonna say this is fake and stuff, but I'll tell you what, I'm not faking this. And I want to give you, I'm trying to be as real, as transparent as I can to each and every one of you guys out here on YouTube. And you know, there's going to be haters out there. There's going to be people that's going to doubt you. But guess what? You know, this is my, I have to say, I started in 2017 and it's 2019. So, you know, it's 2 years down the road. And if you really put the time and effort in anything, you can be successful in anything. And so that's the most important thing, guys. I mean, I'm not trying to say that this is an easy get rich type of deal, but you know, along the way, if you really want to get high risk and be a high risk trader, there's a lot of great high risk traders out there, you know, and not just me. There's a lot of great professionals out there that can trade high risk. Some people don't see that, but I'll be honest with you. You know, if you could fast pace yourself and learn the mistakes quicker, you can get there faster. But if you keep repeating the same mistakes, you're not going to get there, guys. I mean, it doesn't matter how many accounts I'm showing you guys on YouTube that I'm flipping on. What matters is that you're willing to take the time to learn to flip it for yourself. You know, no one's going to teach you how to flip a house. It doesn't matter how many freaking flipping. It's just like think about flipping a house, flipping an account, flipping something else. I mean, just think about it. I mean, you gotta do it yourself so you know what's right and wrong. You gotta do it yourself so you can get better at it for yourself, not for other people. You guys get what I'm saying? You know, it's great to motivate, inspire people, like I said, but you know, you have to define your own success if you want it. And if you don't want it, I guarantee you're just gonna go back to the same thing that you've been doing for the past 5-10 years. And so it can happen, guys. You know, that's some motivation here for you guys for today. I know it's Thursday, and like I said, I'm not going crazy right now. I'm just taking it easy right now. Maybe tomorrow I'll try and kick it up to 23,000, but other than that, that's pretty much it, guys. So other than that, you know, I appreciate all my subscribers out there. Appreciate, you know, all my followers and all the loyal people out there that really believe in me. And so